The starry sky is such a gorgeous sight, and today's makeup look is inspired by the colors in our galaxy. If you would like to learn how to create this cosmic fairy look, please keep on watching.
I just want to mention that I already put on foundation and primed my eyelids so that the eyeshadows can stick on better and the colors can pop more. So let's go ahead and get this galactic look started.
Starting off this look, I took a pink shade from my Sailor Moon palette and am using a fluffy brush to work this as our transition shade on our crease line to help blend other colors we'll be working with. And I want this shade to peek through to resemble the cosmic sky. Then, taking a purple shade, I'll add this color to my outer corner. I like creating a tiny line at the V end of the eye to create a triangle shape so that the makeup looks sharp at the end. Take that purple shade and fill in the lid space. Taking my fluffy brush again, I'm just blending the crease of the pink and purple to get rid of any harsh lines so that the colors blend seamlessly. I wanted the purple to be intense, so I added this shimmer purple and placed that in the middle lid space. This really made the purple shadow pop more. Then, taking a shimmer teal blue, I added this onto the inner corner of the eyes and took this color to the crease line to merge between the pink and purple shadows. On my lower lash lines, I decided to tie the look together by adding a blue-purple shadow.
I'm scared to lose myself or to grow old. And all my shadows, they just don't know where to go.
Next, I added a white eyeliner to create a sharp line on the upper lash line of the eyes. I then added some sparkles onto the lids where the purple is to make the look more starry. Using the same sparkles, I highlighted my upper cheek zone with it. I thought it was more fun this way.
I'm scared to move too fast or move too slow. And I'll admit that I just don't know where to go. And life is
Add your favorite mascara. Add your favorite pink blush to the apples of your cheeks. I even like adding a bit on the upper part of my cheeks. I learned this trick from Ryan Goss. Since this is a starry look, I added a pink highlight on the key areas of my face, my nose, and my cupid's bow. Finally, add your favorite pink lip shade to tie the look together. Since I wanted a more glossy look, I added a gloss layer over this matte pink lipstick. Some sparkles, because why not? We came this far, haven't we? Hope you llamas enjoyed this stardust cosmic fairy look. And I will see you all on the next one. Bye!